My dear brother, President Masood Pezeshkian, Pakistan and Iran have consistently stood by one another in difficult times, and recent events have once again demonstrated beyond any ray of doubt the enduring strength of this brotherhood, this friendship, and this partnership.
برادر من مسعود پزشکیان، من اینجا بار دیگر میگویم که پاکستان و ایران که همیشه با هم در اوقات سخت با یکدیگر همکاری میکردند و در این فرصت که امروزها هم این امر را دوباره ثابت کردیم که ما برادر هستیم.
In conclusion, I once again thank my very dear brother, President Pezeshkian, for visiting Pakistan on our invitation and for the warmth and sincerity that he and his delegation have brought with them and demonstrated in no uncertain terms.
در آخر بار دیگر تشکر میکنم از تشریف آوری رئیس جمهوری اسلامی ایران و هیئت متعالی وی که دعوت ما را قبول کردند و در پاکستان تشریف آوردند.
On your gracious invitation, my dear brother President Pezeshkian, I shall be undertaking a visit to Tehran next week, inshallah, to pay our respects to the late Supreme Leader, Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei, and to reaffirm and reassure Pakistan's solidarity with our brotherly people of Iran.